gentlemen, I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. If you missed yesterday's video, I let my sister take my E63 for a spin, and we did a 0 to 60 launch competition. I was pretty damn nervous. Now today, unfortunately, after an amazing visit, my sister is headed back home. So, let's take her to the airport. Don't go. Don't go.
Okay.
Okay. That was actually so much fun. Thank you for visiting.
Yay.
You gotta come back again soon. Seriously. And then maybe you can drive the supercharged Lambo. One super awesome thing about the E63 is the trunk space is enormous. Oh, let's just not open when I'm trying to demonstrate. One awesome thing of the E63 is that the trunk space is enormous as compared to the S-Class. The reason being, because of the way the seats work in the S-Class and the capability of them being able to recline and also that comfort box, it took up almost all the trunk space. But this, I can fit my tripod, my slider, a random Porsche race car headlight, some bags, as well as her giant, like 400-pound suitcase.
It might be overweight, actually.
Oh boy. Oh no. Ah, lift with your back. I'm just kidding. Lift with your legs. Perfect. It fits. Boom. Later today, we are doing something fun to the Lamborghini. Let's roll. Cold start. What is this is just a fail. The world doesn't want you to leave. No. My car didn't even turn on. What was that? Hey. Oh, maybe because the doors are all open. I don't know. Turn on this time. There we go. Whoa. Bye, Ellie. Yesterday, my sister saw this heads-up display and she absolutely hated it. Why don't you like it? It's distracting?
It was really distracting.
Oh, I like it.
It was also in the wrong location.
Yeah, I was in the wrong spot, yeah. Bye, Maddie. I'm sad.
Sad too.
I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye. Leaving family is always so sad. I can't wait for my sister to come back again. It was an absolute blast having her here. Let's head on home. I'm loving Apple CarPlay. I've got my Apple Maps on the screen, although Apple Maps absolutely suck. Then you can control Spotify as well as have text read out to you. I know it's nothing new, but I haven't had a car with it before and I like it a lot. Just got back home. GT Technic is on their way. Yes, that's right, because I drove all the way out there and the hood was painted the wrong color, which wasn't their fault. It was, well, we can't figure out whose fault it was, but they weren't even the ones who painted the hood. They were willing to drive all the way out here, about 2.5 hours, to install the new carbon fiber hood in my driveway or garage. Let's get Ellie out. Good afternoon, Ellie. How you doing? Last day with your normal Verde Mantis hood, and also last day missing your gas cap. They're gonna bring this back as well. For those of you who missed it, yes, the hood was painted slightly the wrong color. Basically, the paint code, the official Verde Mantis paint code, for some reason in the computer system, didn't call for a pearl effect. But in fact, Verde Mantis is a super pearly color. This has been a problem reported on the boards in the past, but they've got it fixed now. They color matched it using some scanner to the gas cap, so hopefully it matches perfectly. Let's back her out. So Nigel and Prince just arrived. How's it going, dude? Good to see you. And they brought precious cargo. So I guess step one is to pop the trunk. Let's see what happens. We've got all the bolts here, the hood, my gas cap, and in theory, this should be a super easy plug and play job. All the hardware is going to fit on this, and there's gonna be some adjustment needed, obviously, to make sure that it fits perfectly, but should be relatively straightforward. Christmas round 2. Oh, sweet. That looks a heck of a lot better. So I don't know about you guys, but I think this hood looks absolutely sick. The options were leaving it fully exposed carbon fiber, where the entire hood would be grayish black with the carbon fiber pattern, obviously, because it's 100% carbon fiber hood, or have just the vents themselves be carbon fiber and the rest of it in Verde Mantis. I'm super pumped on the way this turned out. Apparently there was some serious research and development involved in making sure that rain doesn't actually get stuck and trapped in the hood when the car's sitting. There we go. OEM hood removed, and we finally found an actual use for my used Pilot Sport Cup 2s. It's a hood holder. The actual hood mechanism for the Huracan is pretty cool. It's this 4-bar linkage that both opens it up and backwards at the same time. Kinda unique. From the factory, even the nuts are painted Verde Mantis. Crazy. Test fitting the hardware on the new hood. I've never lifted my aluminum hood up before, obviously, because it's never been off the car, but this is substantially heavier, obviously, than the carbon fiber one. Weight savings. Some minor modifications needed. All right, some more modifications. So how cool is this? This little rubber piece is actually a screw. It allows you to control the height of the hood so you can adjust it so that all of the body lines align properly. It looks like it doesn't quite fit in the hood, so they've got to Dremel out the holes a tiny bit so that this can fit in. So this part goes into the hole, and then when you turn this, it actually changes the height of the hood. It does go to show, and this is a common theme, that no matter how good aftermarket parts are, usually they require some sort of modification. When I got the RSC tuning front bumper for my Gallardo to convert it to look like an LP560, they did have to do some trimming to get it to align properly. Obviously, a tiny little Dremel, not a huge deal, but doesn't work perfectly right out of the box. Putting the gas cap back on. It looks hilarious without the actual top to it. There we go. Good to go. Unfortunately, we are missing some bolts, so GT Technic has run to the hardware store, which apparently there aren't too many hardware stores that close to where I live, to get the rest of the stuff. But I just wanted to give a special thanks to 1016 Industries for everything. I mean, when they installed this body kit on my car, it radically changed the way it looks. I am in love, and I've gotten so many compliments and questions on, where'd you get that body kit? Where'd you get that body kit? So this is a full 1016 Industries body kit. It's actually fully carbon fiber. It's just painted gloss black. So that came with this awesome giant wing, massive rear diffuser, super aggressive, as well as the side skirts down there, and the front splitter. And now 1016 has come out with an epic carbon fiber hood that we are installing right now. Every day I'm liking these wheels more and more, guys, seriously. Anarchy, and just like that, they're back. Hard at work again. Boom. Hooking up some of the old hardware to the new hood. The hood is ready to be placed on for initial fitment. Let's see. Just like I was saying earlier, look how unique the way the hood opens. It opens both up and back at the same time. Obviously that's important due to the way the hood and the quarter panels are shaped.
Put the hood spread on.
There we go. Oh, guys, that looks so sick. Damn. Ooh. There we go, hood's holding itself up. Now for the moment of truth. Oh boy. Oh, that looks awesome. Well, we just got so close, but we've got to make one more light modification so that it fits properly. As you can see right here on the right side, this isn't sitting all the way down. So we're gonna need to shave off a tiny bit right there on the hood. Off again. All right, back again. I think this time it's gonna work. I got high hopes for it. You guys are gonna be pros at installing this hood now. We'll see if cutting this out a little bit gives it some more space so it can properly attach. All right, well, third time's a charm. It didn't work this time. On again. Well guys, here we go. I'm pretty sure it's adjusted correctly. We're about to try closing this hood for the first time and see what it truly looks like. That looks freaking awesome, guys. I hope you like it as much as I do. I think we need some glamour shots of it. What do you think? Well, there it is. 1016 absolutely killed it with this hood. I am so stoked on the new look. I think Ellie is looking better than she ever has. Let me know, though, in the comment section below what you think of the hood. I'm absolutely in love. The only thing left to figure out is what am I gonna do with the OEM hood? I'm thinking it would make an epic ornament on the side of the garage. Maybe install it right there, maybe even hang it in my bedroom, I'm not sure. If you guys got any awesome ideas for what to do with the hood, let me know. But, oh, she's looking good. Look at this squad of cars right here. The Lambo, the giveaway Z4, and the E63. The final question now is, since the hood is carbon fiber, do I need to swap out the kit for full carbon fiber? Now 1016 makes a full carbon fiber exposed version of this kit that might match a little better and really make this thing look epic. I also want to lower the wing down a little bit. There's some different size uprights. I love that they had the logo actually matching in Verde Mantis. Drop the wing a little bit down, change the angle so that it's a little bit less like a floating air brake. And then I think she's gonna be perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. If you're not already a pro member on my website, Like Gravity, remember, March 15th, I am giving this car away to a random pro member. All you have to do to be eligible to win is be a subscriber to Vehicle Virgins and a pro member on my website. So what is a pro member? What is my website? Essentially, LikeGravity.com is an epic place for like-minded individuals like you and I who love cars. You can share pictures of your favorite cars, share pictures of your personal car stories, and relate to everyone around you so you don't annoy people on Facebook. I'm gonna be choosing one person, completely random, you gotta be in the United States, however, who's a pro member to win this car. Seriously, it only costs like a pack of M&Ms per month, and pro members get access to every single Vehicle Virgins video 24 hours in advance before they go live on YouTube. There's also no ads, and you get random perks like you could win a BMW Z4. In fact, if you live in the area or you're willing to come out, I'll even spend a day with you teaching you how to drive manual because, well, the Z4 is a manual. That being said, I look forward to seeing you next video.